The Deutscher Aktien Index, usually referred to as the DAX or the Ger30, is a stock index that reflects 40 of the biggest and most liquid German companies that are traded on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. The Xetra electronic trading system provides the prices that are utilized to generate the DAX index. The index weightings are determined using a free float technique and an estimation of the average trading volume. In today's video, we will learn about the DAX stock index. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So let's begin the video. The DAX had a 1,163-point initial index level when it was first founded in 1988. Around 80% of the total market capitalization traded on the Frankfurt Exchange is made up by DAX member companies. The index originally included 30 companies, but as of September 3, 2021, that number increased to 40. Understanding the DAX stock index. Many analysts view the DAX Index, which follows 40 sizable and actively traded German companies, as a gauge for Germany's economic health. Multinational corporations that have an impact on both the native German economy and the global economy make up the DAX's list of firms. The revival of Germany following World War II is referred to as the German economic miracle, or Wirtschaftswunder, and has been largely aided by the success of these businesses. The industries represented by the companies in the DAX index are diverse. For instance, Bayer AG, founded in 1863, is a pharmaceutical and consumer health company and is well known for its pain and allergy relief products. Allianz SE, which is a global financial services company that provides customers with insurance and asset management products. Adidas AG is a well-known company that creates, produces, and sells athletic footwear, clothing, and equipment. Special considerations. Contrary to other indexes, even after the main stock exchange is closed, the DAX is updated with futures prices for the next day. Changes are done throughout routine review periods. However, index members may be dropped if they fall outside the top 45 corporations or added if they rise above the top 25. With a near 95% acceptance rate for the stocks of the 40 DAX members, the vast majority of shares on the Frankfurt Exchange now trade entirely electronically via the Xetra system. DAX member companies. For months after the index's significant expansion, as of January 25, 2022, the major DAX companies included Airbus, Adidas, Allianz, Bayerische Motor und Werke, BMW, Deutsche Bank, Linde, Porsche Automobile Holding, Puma SE, Siemens, Volkswagen. Key takeaways. The performance of the 40 biggest firms trading on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange is tracked by the DAX, a German blue-chip stock market index. The prices needed to compute the DAX index are provided by the electronic trading platform Xetra. The DAX is a well-known benchmark for German and European equities, ranking the biggest firms according to liquidity and market capitalization, and serving as a predictor of economic developments in Germany. A few of the globally reputed companies on the DAX include Volkswagen, Bayer, BMW, and Adidas.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.